Guys, it's hailing right now. Little ice. Look at. Let's see. You see the ice? It's tiny, but it's bouncing around. Yep. Started hailing. It's supposed to be a thunderstorm. Bouncing around. The lightning hit so close right now too. Look at little hail. Little pieces of ice. Ooh, there's another lightning. We're starting to hailing. The hail's getting a little bit bigger. See the hail? Little pieces of ice. Oh, that's cool. There's a good thunderstorm, good lightning storm right here. Woo! All right, I'm going in now, guys. Just wanted to share this with you. Oh.